Welcome back to another episode here with SirMalo Performance. As you see here on the title, this description is for the hammer drill. This is something that you purchase at a Harbor Freight. This is a Bauer drill, Bauer company. I owned one before. I burnt it. I went to go trade it in, and this is what they gave me now. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So it's a really nice box, as you guys can see. It comes in a pretty little bag, but this is what matters most, is this drill. Man, check that out. So with this one, right off the bat, I noticed that we have 3 settings. We got a hammer mode, a screw mode, and a drill mode on this one. My previous one did not have that mode set up. And it was the same thing, same part number. I'm sure if you have one, maybe yours has that. I also noticed that the numbers are a lot more enlarged, and the grip for the lock is a little bit more cross-hatched better. You still have your variant speed 1, speed 2. But other than that, let's go ahead and pull the rest of the stuff that comes in here. We got a battery, a charger, but there's your charger in there. And these things charge really fast, guys. Like, no joke. It says in an hour to charge. It will charge it in less than an hour, like 45 minutes. No joke. It's really fast. And what I really like about these batteries, just like my Impact one, they're pretty much universal, and they have, you know, how much battery you got. Very easy to mount. It's a slide action. It slides in on them. That has the LED light on the bottom. That's freaking cool. So again, drill, screw, hammer. And you got your speeds from 1 to 21. That's your Bauer 20 volt. The previous one, the reason why it burnt out, guys, no joke, I was mixing cement for my tile. That's what I've been working on lately, was for home. I mean, this is, if you're gonna put screws into the wall, this is gonna take care of that job like that. This one, I have been using it for step drilling a lot. I used it a lot on this one because this was an automatic, turned it into a manual, and I did a lot of step drilling. I used it a lot for that. A lot of home stuff. Like I said, it's very strong. I have 0 complaints about this, and the reason why I burnt it out is because, like I said, I was using it to mix the 2 set. It's a 2 set for the tile. I use it for the grout as well, the mixing. I don't have the roller. It'll fit on this chuck. So that chuck, that diameter, I mean, I put it on 1 and I had to spinning it slow, and then again on 2. I mean, it was fast, but that's how I burnt it out. But other than that, the thing was still going. It was still working. Again, the only reason why I burnt the previous one because of that grout mixing. But other than that, I'm sure it would have lasted me 2-3 years easy. Things that it comes with are these little hanging things for your work vest utility stuff. They give you your instructions. They give you like the bits. So I mean, you're ready to go. If you buy the box, you just charge it and you start working on your home things. If you're hanging up a window, painting, drawings, you name it, you're putting shelves on the wall, this will knock it out of the park, man. No joke. You don't need to buy a Panasonic. You don't need to buy a Milwaukee. I think this compares to Milwaukee, and I vouch for these guys. I'm not sponsored by them in any which way or means. If they want to sponsor me, I'm all for it. But just in case you guys want to know, what did you use in the end to finish up your grout and tile mixture? I used this over here. It's this one. Now this one's a low speed. I mean, it's a very, very strong drill, and I do use it for literally what it says here. It's a mixer. You put on that wheel, and that's this is like the diesel. If you're towing up, you know, hills and stuff, you want a diesel truck. This is like a Honda. If you're gonna load it up with 10,000 pounds and go up a hill, not suggested. I'm sure it'll do it for the first mile, and then it, you know, cuts out. That's what happened with this. But you know what I mean? Even though I put it on a 5-gallon bucket with a full bag of that mixed cement, it gave out. but still a good drill. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little review of that. But you know, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned if you guys want more reviews. I have that little mixer. If you guys want to see more reviews on that, let me know on the comment section below. I also have a jigsaw, a saw, the big impact tool. Oh man, that sucker's really cool. Yeah, my other video, it's this. That's the impact. Very different from this. So, drill, impact. I use this for a lot of like the cam swaps, a lot of the engine work. I'm constantly using this one, not this one. This one's for more of a home appliance. Very durable stuff, like I said. You know, has the indicators, chargers. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned with more SirMalo performance and power tool reviews, I guess. But thank you again. Take care. God bless. Peace.